Do we have a name for him yet? Who gets the name?
No, that's a good.
I already suggested Winston Churchill.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, just Winston. I mean,
How about Winston? That's not a bad name.
So this is your dog, Timothy? Your puppy, whatever? And these are the ones that aren't yours.
There you go.
They're just sleeping. And this is the father or mother?
This is the father.
That's the
That's
father.
the mother. She's really skinny right now.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have to do all the feeding?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Keep up with them.
They're huge. They're like... Well, I'll just take it out. Can you do tricks yet? We need to see tricks.
There we go. See? Perfect. Thank you very much.
I'm sure you're welcome.
Look great.
Now, I have a complaint about the newspaper. We only want English language newspapers. Is that Korean there?
It's Korean.
We do not do dual language.
But your dog will be bilingual.
Bilingual, right?
That's right. She's on. Where's my baby?
Yeah.
Where's my baby? Where's my baby?
He looks unhappy.
And he's away from my babies. There you go.
That's above.